This is like the I think 4 days after I said that I'm gonna have a shooting client. Well, I've been busy from the past 2 days, Monday, Tuesday, so today's Wednesday. I'm gonna go and check on Ricky if he's at the house, and then I'm gonna go. I ran out of data, so I couldn't manage to get hold of the Tapa is the guy that supposed to film the drone footage, so I'm gonna check Ricky and then use his Wi-Fi. Hi Rick. Ricky. So Rick is not at the house, so I'm gonna just go in campus, and Tapa is taking dentistry, so I'm just gonna go to the College of Dentistry and then check him. So Tom,
What's up?
you busy?
Sorry. Yeah.
Alright.
I wish I could have joined you actually.
Yeah.
You know Timothy?
Oh yeah, Timothy, IT guy.
Yeah. Maybe. Oh, but you said he's busy as well.
It's okay, I'm just checking. I just got back also.
Oh, you got back. You took already. Don't forget.
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
Yeah. So I can actually go. Which building?
It's you know where they used to be driving class, called Tevet building, behind apartment B and A. In between apartment B and the other apartment. There's a building there. Okay.
Oh, the old abandoned.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, that one.
So it's not yet fixed already, right? So we'll just get the. Okay. No problem. I'll do that. I just realized that today is actually Wednesday. So, it's 3 o'clock now. It's Wednesday, and Ricky has classes on Monday and Wednesday. So I was thinking today was either Tuesday or Thursday. That's why I went there to call his name, but he wasn't there. So it makes sense that no one was at the house. Why am I talking like Mike Tyson? Yeah, this is the building that I came on last Sunday, I think 3 days ago, trying to see what's up with it. So I'm here. I'm gonna just fly some basic drone footage, and then after that probably fly some opening scene and some other stuff from the basic footage thing. This is like a whole electronic department of the university. Inside this building, this is I think the main office. It was before they moved it to the library area. So we have like whole TV, speakers, conductors, wires, anything to do with electronics. We also have like old electronics book here. A gold mine for electronic students. They can get stuff here. This place is like really old. Walking into this area is like a walking back into time. And there's like some stuff here that are old, like probably 10-20 years old. I don't know, but I'm assuming. So anyway, I'm just done filming here now. Tomorrow I'll come back and film again because I missed the sunsets. I missed the perfect sun for this area. So I'm gonna just head out, come back tomorrow. I am back here for day two of shooting. It's around 10:30 now in the morning. So I'm actually here now. The sun is way above me now, so I'm trying to shoot. This thing is too high for me. Come low. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna try to fly the drone inside this building and also outside. So just gonna do that as quick as possible and then head out. So I'm done from here now. I'm heading home now and then compile the whole video thing. I really don't know if the video is just for taking before and after videos or it's a promotional video for fundraising. That I didn't get. I didn't even get specification of what to shoot and what to film. All I know was to shoot aerial photograph of the whole building, and then I came here and then they said, oh, can you just take inside also some videos from inside? So it's like I'm just guessing what to shoot. So I'm here shooting assuming that they want me to take like footage of all the damaged area and then probably make a promotional video about it and then put it out there so people can donate and then probably make all this area a church. So yeah, anyway, I'm done from here now. I'm gonna head home. Yeah, it's kind of weird vlog. See you on the next one.